Welcome to Daily Art Day number 2888. 888. Getting very close to 3,000 days. Man, 8 years. Actually, next month, 8 years. Every single day. So, I'm going to keep this short again. Happy holidays coming up. Got all kinds of things that I'm working on. Oh boy, so much time. And one way that I can really maximize my time in the studio is having everything ready at hand. So I'm kind of going to go over my quote-unquote / studio. It's actually a very small room that is my office and studio. But the very first thing, and let me go over here and move this away. I have my easel is always there. As you can see, there's my paint bag at the bottom. Some other things I'm working on. Always there. That's my easel. My drawing board is there. There is always a stack of newsprint on it, maybe like 10 or 15 sheets deep. So that's always there. I have a whole bunch of sharpened charcoal and a whole bunch of other pencils. They're under my paper towels right now, so you can't see them, but they're sharpened and ready. They're not organized, but they're sharpened and ready. They're not organized because I haven't finished my day yet today. But ready at hand. Put this back. That's my warm-up for today. You'll see pictures of that on my website, chrisbevan.com. Go there if you want more pictures. So, because I'm doing so much drawing right now, that is what is ready at hand. But how do I make these videos? How do I, set up for the photos online? This light is actually one of the main lights in my room. It's on a very simple stand easel that I just clips it to. That gets moved to the side of the room. I move it out here to light my pictures really quickly so I can take photos with my camera. There's my camera. And the camera is always over here. So this is my drying rack and extra papers and everything. My camera is always up against this rack here. Vertically, it's always on the easel and ready to go, so I can get that done. The item I'm working on, which right now, Snape, working on the background finally, didn't get a lot done on it, but yeah, having a ton of fun with that drawing. My next exercise from Nicolaides, that's out and ready, so I'm always just have a second to look at it. Literally, it takes me maybe 60 seconds to get up and going. That's all it takes. So if you have the space, if you have the room, if you have the materials, have them ready at hand. This way you can get rid of all of the friction between you and your creative habit. If you feel the creativity coming on, you get motivated, bam, you're right into it, that kind of thing. Now, when I'm painting, which hopefully later on next year, I'll show you that. I'll show you how I always keep that ready. So, and that's the same thing. I can get painting in 60 seconds. That way you can complete all the work that you need to complete with as less friction as possible. I'll say it again. Have all your materials and everything ready at hand so you can be more creative. And on that note, see you next video. Until then, keep creating.